So today I'm breaking down a super quick way to create those bold, high-impact Iman Gadzhi-style YouTube thumbnails without touching Photoshop or spending hours in design apps. And if you're new here and watching my video for the first time, hi, I'm Jean Arabella. I'm passionate about creating AI videos on YouTube and sometimes do a bit of modeling as well. You can also check out my Instagram. The link is in the description below. Alright, now let's get into the video. First, head over to YouTube and pick the thumbnail you want to recreate. For this video, I'm grabbing one of Iman Gadzhi's videos. His thumbnails are seriously next level. Once you've picked your example, just play it. And now, copy that video's URL. Then open any thumbnail downloading site you like. Paste the link there and make sure to choose the highest resolution or HD option before you download, so you get a crisp, clean reference image to work with. Great! Now, head to the Gemini AI website and be sure you're using the Flash 2.5 version. And from the menu, click Tools. Then choose the Nano Banana Image Generator. Next, hit Upload and select the thumbnail you just downloaded. Now type in the changes you want to see. For example, remove the person in this image and change $1,500 per week to $2,500 per week using the same font style. Once done, hit Enter. Gemini instantly delivers the edited image. Wow, look at that! It's super clean and every change I asked for is spot on, even removing Iman perfectly. Now it's time to add your own photo. Just upload your image, then type a prompt like, "Add my photo to the thumbnail and make it blend seamlessly with the same style." Include any extra details you need, like where you want to stand or how big the picture should be, and hit Enter. Gemini takes care of the rest and places you right into the design like a pro. Wow, just look at this result. The thumbnail is super clean and my photo is perfectly swapped in. But I noticed one thing. In the picture I uploaded, I'm holding cash in my hands, and that detail didn't show up in the first edit. No problem. So I simply asked Gemini to make it exactly like the original photo I uploaded, including the money in my hands, and hit Enter. In seconds, it updated the image and brought that detail right back. With just a few prompts, you can recreate any thumbnail. Change the text, swap styles, and make it totally your own without touching Photoshop. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's into YouTube design hacks. And if you want more quick tutorials like this, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.